So, if you've ever wondered, can you take a family of 5 and 2 dogs camping in a JL Rubicon? Yes, you can.
Ain't easy though.
Nobody said it was easy. First official stop of the trip, the good old Walmart. But first I'll give you a quick little peek here what it takes to overland camp with you know, a family of 5 in a Jeep Wrangler JL and 2 dogs that, yeah, just got a crate dropped on them in the back there. So that looks like the Clampets go to freaking Maui here. So you've got up on top one of the coolers, chairs, the Max Tracks, a couple of crates of cooking stuff and bedding. So up on top you're full, another cooler in the back there with the dogs, another crate with them. Got our water, got our couple more crates, fire starting and charcoal, cooking stuff. So yeah, it's quite an operation here, but you know what? You can do it. You can do it. All right, Mrs. Ryan, you ready to go to the store here? Do our obligatory Walmart shopping. The Walmarts. Okay, that's fine. The place where every overlanding trip starts is the Walmart. Going in here, we're gonna get some what, batteries and the dog leash and what else? Power inverter. Hey, we got candy corn out. Yeah. We gotta do candy corn. Candy corn, you know fall is here. The good stuff. Get the candy corn. That's good.
Any room, you can't buy anything else. Pay. You have to pay.
I have to pay?
Yeah, I didn't bring anything home with me.
Here. So, well, we survived another trip to Walmart. Didn't have to mortgage the house yet. I'm sure we'll hit Walmart again before, you know, this trip's over. So now we're actually gonna try to get on the road. Oh, look at her sag, man. Look at that SN sagging. yeah, lift kit with the heavy duty springs is definitely in order here. Yeah, this is gonna have to happen. So we're not even 5 minutes down the road. And already we're into the cookies. What kind of cookies are these, honey?
Lemon.
Lemon cookies. It's like lemon Oreos or something. Pretty good. We made it out of the state of Illinois. And all loaded down like this. Yeah, normally this has been getting on the highway 21, 22 miles a gallon, which is, I've been pretty happy with. We get it all loaded down with all 5 of us, the dogs and the stuff, and yeah, not so much. 15, 14, maybe 16. So still not terrible bad. I mean, it's definitely livable with this much stuff in it. So my wife is reading one of these, you know, Facebook lists. And what was this list about here, honey?
Men who never listen.
Men who never listen. And it lists a bunch of names of men. So you've had a lot of men in your life, you have? That don't listen to you?
Yes.
Yeah, like what were some of the names that don't listen to you?
Shane, Michael, well, Joshua. I don't really have to have him not listen to me.
I do think your list is wrong because I do listen to her. Don't let her fool you. Got some a little buggy last night. Went down. Yeah, well. Good morning. So we're up at Adam finally here. Got in kind of late last night. Got down to Callie's down in Stanton, Kentucky. If you guys are coming through this area, if you're going to want to come down and explore the Red River Gorge area, definitely highly recommend Callie's. This is a great little campground. Not too big, not too small. Got some great sights here. You can see all along these trees here. They've got sights. Most all of them have grills, fire rings. Prices are reasonable. I think for 5 of us, for 2 nights was like 45 bucks, 46 bucks, something like that. So real reasonable prices and a beautiful place. Good mature pine trees, lots of shade. So it's a pretty nice place. My second, third time here. I like it. A place we're going to come back to more often here. So, and of course this morning, say good morning, life. Say good morning.
Good morning.
There she is. So we got, yes, the bacon. Listen to that sizzle. That's gonna be good stuff. Good morning, Gibbs. Gibbs. Hey, Gibbs, what are you doing, dude? Said I'm scouring for stuff, man. Gibbs. Gibbs. You're not gonna find anything, dude. It's not gonna happen. Oh, there's Isabel. Say good morning, Isabel. Good morning, Shane. You ready to hit some trails this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you looking forward to, man?
Looking forward to finding a cave or a bridge.
Yep. Well, we'll find one of them today, one of them tomorrow. Right, Izzy? Yes, right. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. So, a couple of bacon, eggs, cinnamon rolls here. Get ourselves motivated, and we're going to get out and get on the trail. So, thanks for coming along this morning, and we look forward to seeing what happens the rest of the day here. Just getting started. God only knows what can happen from here. in a little bit today. Actually, quite a lot. I got probably, I don't know, half, 3/4 of an inch. It rained pretty good. Made the, the trails definitely wet and muddy, a little soggy, and stuff is overgrown since we were here last. We were here end of July, I think it was, and this hill climb a lot more rutted than it was when we were here end of July. I bottomed out several times on this thing today. Last time we came right up, didn't have hardly anything. Yeah, the ruts are a lot bigger today than when we came through last time. Muddy, muddy, muddy. Things are just, yeah, it's pretty rutted out. Some pretty deep stuff there.
Don't give him that.
So, Charles, you having fun?
Yeah.
How many times you banged your head on the window?
0.
You said you banged your head on the window that
No,
one
I
time.
said I almost did.
Almost banged your head on the window? How about you, Shane? You have a good time? Of course, he's a veteran. He's been here before. So, Mom, what's Mom think here? Her first time off-road.
Just a couple oh shit moments.
So just like a meme I just saw, does the bank know what you did to their Jeep today? So. Gus, you having fun, man?
Yep, only banged my head once.
Only banged your head once?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you shouldn't bang it at all.
Good advice.
Come this way if you can. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, shit. Climb it. Oh.
Yeah, she's kind of dirty. Just off-roading in the rain yesterday. A little muddy. But, so, just for reference, this is what the rear bumper is supposed to look like. Got up this morning in the daylight now and went, oh, okay. Guess we came down a little hard off of a rock there. I remember the hit. I remember when it did it. It was getting replaced anyway, But it's day 3. Gonna hit some trails this morning, get back up camp, and get on the road back home to real life here. Of course, the whole trip had been in jeopardy because Thursday, a 5-year-old comes home sick from school, and so now this morning, wife wakes up all swollen in the throat, sore throat, coughing, hacking. Yeah, right, baby. Not feeling very good this morning, but it's all right. She said she's up for the trails. That's a trooper. Go hit a trail this morning for 2-3 hours and get back and go right back at it. Head home and into the real world. So stay tuned. Got some good trail footage coming today. Again, the rain and some time, and the roads were rutted up even more than last time we came up here. But it's a beautiful shot here. All around the valley, you can see the tops over there, some of the rock faces. Very cool stuff. Got Alexis pulling in.
Were you supposed to meet Chad Hall down here?
Nope.
You weren't?
Oh, Chadwick? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was supposed to meet Chadwick.
Rob said he thought you might be up here.
Yep.
He's coming.
Rob is?
Yep.
Well, that son of a bitch.
I talked him into coming today.
My God, son of a
Nice to
bitch.
meet you. I'm Wes Harville.
Hey, Wes, my God, how you doing, man?
Doing pretty good.
Look at this guy coming in here. Yeah, I said last night we were coming up here this morning. Yep, here comes Rob.
He's been whining about his Jeep vibrating a little bit. I told him it's a Jeep thing.
There's Mr. Rob. Fancy meeting you out here on the trail, sir.
Well,
How you doing?
doing good. How are you?
Doing all right, man.
We saw in the messages that you were coming up here. So I thought we'd head up for lunch and here you
Yeah.
are.
Oh, good timing, man. We just got up here and looked around. west on a very flat, clean, non-muddy road. Everybody's got tired, wore out. It was a great weekend. Got a little hot today, but that's all right. Had a great surprise. Had a couple of friends that kind of lived in the area down there. we'd been chatting last night on Messenger. Told them where we were going, and by God, they showed up there and met us. They got there about 5 minutes after we did. Total surprise. Really loved it. Big shout out and thanks to Rob and Wes for taking the time to come out and join us. Overall, it was a great weekend, great weather. Callie's was awesome again. The only bad thing really happened, I mean, this trip just about didn't happen. Because Thursday, I think it was, 5-year-old comes home from school sick. Got the rash on the face, looks like the bumps in the throat. We're thinking, all right, strep throat, trip's gone, over. Well, he was feeling better Friday, so it obviously wasn't strep, but poor old mama, she got whatever it was, and she is wore ass out. Been sick all day today. Felt it coming on probably last night, but she's a trooper. Made it through, smile on her face, had a good time, helped break down camp. Didn't want to work her too hard. Unfortunately, she jumped right in. She just gets after it, but yeah, that's the only bummer. So we're headed northwest, headed home in search of a Chick-fil-A, get some supper, and unpack this stuff and get back to the real world tomorrow. I gotta work early, and so's Mama, so we gotta get her some sleep and get her feeling better. Peace out, guys. Travel safe. See you next time. Land Between the Lakes, 12 days, in less than 2 weeks. See you back. Finally get to Chick-fil-A in Florence, Kentucky, and they closed at 6 o'clock on Labor Day for the holiday. What the hell is that? See? Chick-fil-A. Empty. Nobody there. Nobody. 6 o'clock. What is this? Alright, so now we go to our good old standby. Waffle House.
Waffle House.
Waffle House.
Never closed.
Never closed Waffle House.
Waffle House.
That's right, baby. Waffle House, right up here around the corner. Charles. Waffle House. Waffle House.
Waffle House.